SpaceX stock is finally available in the market and everyone is talking about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest in this company or how you can buy SpaceX stocks. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to go to any trading platform. In my case, I'm going to use this one called Trading 212. And I will leave a special link with this offer in the description below. So if you want to create a Trading 212 account, you will get a free share just by signing up and completing these simple steps. You will need to verify your identity by uploading your ID and then make a deposit of at least 10 euros. So after this, you will instantly get your share and you can sell it and withdraw it if you want, and you can also withdraw your deposit, of course. Here you can also see the probability of the value of the share, so it's from 8 to 100 euros. From my personal experience, you usually get around 20 or 30 euros per invite. So just by creating your account, you will get a free share. And if you invite more people, you will also keep getting more money and your friend will get money as well. So after you have your Trading 212 account ready, you will need to click Main Pot to deposit money. So click Deposit and select the currency you want, and you can choose between the different payment methods. You can use your credit card, you can do a bank transfer, and depending on the currency, you might have other options available. After you have the money ready in your wallet, you just need to search for SpaceX, just like this, and you should find the company or the stock right here. So just click, you will see the price. So right now the market is closed because it's Saturday when I'm recording the video, but you just need to click buy and just select how many shares you want to buy. So you can put a specific value in your currency, or you can set how many shares you want to buy. And if the market is closed, your order will automatically be executed after the market opens. For example, right now the market will open in 1 day and 8 hours. So I could just review the order and send the buy order, so it will automatically be executed. In my case, I don't want to buy this stock, but if you go to investments and you buy that stock, you should see it in the list of all your investments, and you can just click SpaceX. In my case, I don't have it, but I'm going to use Microsoft as an example. So just click SpaceX and you will see the sell button. So whenever you want, you can just send the sell order and do the same process. And after that, you will get the money in fiat in your Trading 212 wallet, which you can just withdraw by clicking Main Pot and then withdraw and sending the money to your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can buy and sell SpaceX stocks on Trading 212. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.